Hi guys. Recently I've become a big fan of Lovable. For those who don't know Lovable is a prompt to app tool. So you give it a prompt and it develops a complete app for you. And then you can do the changes in the app via natural language. So you don't need any coding skills anymore. And even for me as a software developer, that was really helpful to create mock-ups and prototypes and even to develop small apps. So if you have worked with such a tool before, there's one issue. There's several issues, and one of them was kind of a bigger one for me. If you give the tool a big feature request or bigger feature request, it often messes up the implementation. It breaks existing functionality, it introduces new bugs, it changes code that it's not supposed to change, and it also forgets small things. So I developed a small tool for myself. I call BetterVibe for a better vibe coding experience. And basically what it does, it breaks down bigger feature requests to smaller tasks. And that makes it in the end a lot easier to implement those feature requests. And let's use this tool to improve itself actually. And here's BetterVibe running, and it's on bettervibe.org. And you just give it the application. So we have an application that breaks down complex feature requests to easy to implement tasks. The tech stack, in this case, Lovable. And the feature requests we want some minor feedback process. The user should be able to provide simple feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down on the decomposition. Let's decompose. And of course, we're using AI in the background to decompose the feature request. And here we go. It classified the feature request as minor, which I agreed to. And then it created 5 tasks for us. And it starts by updating the data model, which from my perspective, from a professional software developer, is always a really good starting point because it lays the foundation for everything else. So we're updating the data model, we're integrating the feedback UI components, we're implementing the feedback functionality, and in the end we create an end-to-end test. So sometimes you will not even need all of those tasks. So let's try it out. Let's just simply copy and paste it to Lovable. So we start by updating the data model. And at this point you might ask yourself, if I just give the whole feature request to Lovable, I just use 1 credit, right? And now that sounds good. Let's apply those changes. And now we have several tasks that will require more credits, right? And yeah, yes and no, I would say. If you have intensively worked with those tools, you have probably spent a lot of credits on debugging, on restoring existing functionality, and the likelihood that you will need to spend those credits again for debugging purposes when you use BetterVibe is a lot smaller. So yes, you may need more than 1 credit initially, but in the end you will end up using a lot fewer credits. So they executed our SQL to change the data model, and actually Lovable is implementing the feature right away. We don't even need to give it another task. Let's see what it ends up doing. Okay, apparently we're done. It also did the reload already. Let's try that out. Let's give it the same feature request to decompose here. Here we're done, and here you go. We have a simple feedback system. Nice, and it's even showing you the count here. Very cool. So that was it. Try it out yourself if you're using Lovable, Bolt, or any other AI coding tool. It's At the moment, it's for free, and you even don't need to sign up. It's under bettervibe.org. Have fun and enjoy vibe coding. Bye bye.